Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Earn with Yusuf YouTube channel. In this video we will create a search box using MS Excel. Okay, so this is the demo that you see. Let's search something in our data. So let's come here to the text box, and here we will search something. For example, just mark whatever you are writing. See, no match. For the S there is no match, because let's write ln just S search, just in which names there is S, so it will just filter those records for us. So it is all about the search box that we will create in MS Excel. So let's get started. What we will do, first of all, we will come here to our data, and we will convert our data to the table. To convert our data to the table, simply we can press Ctrl T, or we can move here, select a format, which format you want. So just select that format, so it will be converted to the table format. So I have converted it to the table format. After converting the table, then we can assign a name to our table. In the table design, this is the data name which I have assigned to this data, this table. After assigning a name, let's create a new sheet. Inside in this new sheet, now first of all I will copy this header, header of our data. Copy this and come here and paste it here. After pasting it, select this data, increase the size, double click, and we can increase the size also. Monthly salary and email address. Yeah, this is our header. Now we would like to search our data, so this will be our search field where we will search. Let's change the background of this. Now here we will apply our formula to search the data. What we will do, first of all, write equal to filter, open the bracket. After filter, we will select our data array. Come here to the data and select this one, Control Shift right, Control Shift down. The whole data has selected, and after that what we will do, comma, then in which column we would like to search. First of all I will select this name field, because I want to search based on name. Select this one, Control Shift down key, the whole column has selected. After that, equal to with which this column, the name column, if that was equal to with, come here to the sheet 2 and select this C1, with this one, if that was equal to with C1. So after that, comma, if there was no record, so write no match, close it and press enter. So right now no match. Let's search something like ln. Press enter. See, the ln record has just he filtered for us. So now we would like to create a search box and a text box. Inside that, whatever we are writing, we should filter the data according to that. So for that, to create that, also we will change our formula later. We will change this formula also. So let's first of all change our formula. Instead of writing this, we will just write is number formula. First of all, function is number, then search function inside this, search inside this, and inside this find text. First of all, now we will apply. So in this search function, what we will do, first of all, we will select the find text, this one, C1 field. Then we will convert this to the absolute path. Press F4. That has converted to the absolute path. Then comma. After that, we will select our name. So just come here to the data and select the name field. Control Shift down arrow key. The name field has selected. After that, close this and close the is number function. Then write equal to true. So that is this is our function. Press enter. So this is our function that we wrote. Filter, then data, our table is number search function, then our this is field that we would like to search in, and then the name field of data table, and after that is equal to with true, and then if there was no data, so then write no match. This is the function that you see. Now let's create a search box. Come here to the insert, come here to the shapes, and in the shapes select this rectangle and write like this, and move it up. So just let's change the design of this to this one. After changing the design, let's insert an icon also. Come here to the icons, and in the icons we will search now for the search icon. SEARCH, search, So it will find search icon for us, insert it. After that, decrease the size of this, then move it and drag it here, place it here, and after that change the color of this. Come here to the home and change the color to this one. Okay, after changing the color, now let's we will draw a text box inside this. Okay, so to draw the text box, for that we need developer tab. Okay, if the developer tab is not existed by default, it is not available in the Excel. Okay, so to bring it here, the developer tab, right click and customize the ribbon. After customizing, here you will find the developer tab and then press OK. So come here to the developer tab, come here to the insert, then come here to this text box. Okay, press this text box and draw it. Let's draw it. So this is our text box. Now let's right click on this, then properties. In the properties, come here to the categories and come here to the mesh category and here to the link cell. Okay, find this link cell. With which cell you want to link this text box? With this cell. Okay, C1. Right here, C1. And then we will remove the border of this. So to remove the border of this text box, come here to the special effect and just select this 0. Okay, so that is okay. Close it. So this is our text box. See, that text came here directly. And now let's press this design model. Okay, so that is okay. Now we can write something here. Whatever we write, so we will search our data based on that. See, we are searching our data. Now we will add some more design to this area. Okay, so this task has done. Right now let's now design it. Okay, first of all, come here to the view and remove the grid lines, and also we will select the whole data and we will add conditional border. Okay, come here to the home and to the conditional formatting, come here to the new rule and then come here format only cells that contains no blanks. Okay, no blanks. Come here to the format and add the border. Press OK. Okay, so it will add the border. Let's search something. Add border, just that area of which we are searching. Okay, which has the data. So this for this, let's remove this cell also. Just come here to the home and select white color and select no fill. Okay, so we cannot see that fill. And now let's add a sheet on the top of this one, another row also. We will add a row. So after that, let's select these areas. Okay, and we will merge them and right here inside that search box, and after that make it to the center and increase the size to 24 and change the font to Algerian and change the color to this one. So this is all about our search box. Now let's write something inside this, like B, just names which has B. Okay, BE, just these two records. Okay, we can say like GA. Okay, Jacob and Jack. So this is our text box, search box that we have created inside MS Excel, and this is our function. Okay, see the function. This is our function. So it was all about this. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video, comment down. Thanks for watching.